downstairs.
The office, right? It won't go to the mailbox.
I think it goes right in the front door.
And you're saying it's gonna be here in a couple of days or tomorrow or?
No, I could take a couple of days.
Yeah, I think I'm all right. I mean, unless something weird happens, I don't have any major printing to do. And I can still get away with shaking it for a little bit. And in a last minute emergency, I can print on the other printer. I just don't like to do that because ink is 50 times more expensive than toner. What?
There we go.
That's better than no. Good. Well now, shouldn't you save that somewhere on your computer so next time you know what you did, or did you like shopping?
Yeah, let's see what happens. I'm not sure if you're into that, but two packs or just two. Good price.
Alright, this is where the drain lines drain outside, and this one has water in it, this one has water in it, so I'm going to put my money on this one. This is the one that's clogged up there, is on the 3rd floor. It's got to be the one with no water in it, right? Well, dudes, that one wasn't it, so we'll just try the next one. Alright, run upstairs, see if this is the one. Seems to be jumping a lot, like there's a lot of stuff in it, so this might be it. Sound I wanted to hear. Thing was really clogged. Gotta bust out the old gallows gun on it. That's the sound of a clear line right there. Vent is really low. I'm going to raise it. Don't need a cap on it. Oh, the float switch didn't engage. Must have a faulty fluid. New floater. I finally got it unclogged with the old gallows gun. I'll leave a link to one of these in the description below this video. If you want to get you one, have it delivered to your house, they're awesome. Just use the old CO2 cartridges and it just shoots you a blast of air down the line if you can't get it with the shop vac. Just unscrews. Drop your old CO2 in there just like your old pellet gun days when you were a kid. Screw it on and you're ready to go. Just shoot you a blast of air down in there. Alright, we got her. Also vented it high too. I like to see the vent high after the P-trap. That thing was all low. I've noticed out here, and it was capped too. I don't know why it was capped. There's some out here, as soon as I pull the cap off, it's like, and just runs the water right out. I don't know why the installer capped it. And you know, he didn't put it high above the drain pan, which is where I like to see them. They drain better, and it just what I've noticed when it's below the drain pan, it's like a straw. You know, when you put your finger over a straw in a drink and then you pull it out and the water stays in there. That's what happens. And then, you know, you let go and then the water comes out. So I vented it high above the drain pan and cleared it out with old Gallo and a shop vac. Alright dudes, thank you for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.